What's going on, guys? Johnny Bubbles back with another Shoe Care Academy video, and today I am going to be showing you guys how to clean these Nike Chunky Dunkies. Now unfortunately, because this pair is a newer release, we couldn't find any beat ones, so we had to just improvise and stick with the Ben & Jerry's theme and put some Chunky Monkey ice cream on it. Now it took a little convincing to Pops because he was not down with it at all. He was like, "You're not putting ice cream on these shoes." But we made it happen, so I'm hoping I can get them clean. So hopefully I can clean these up, guys, but let's get bubbly. So for this video, I'm only gonna clean the right shoe, so I'm gonna put the left one to the side. And the kit that I'm gonna be using today is our essential kit, which comes with our soft brush, our medium brush, our stiff brush, a microfiber towel, and our wonderful shoe tree that we're gonna go ahead and start with first. So you wanna go ahead and adjust it to size. These are a size 8, so it's gonna be about the 5th hole up. Now these do fit up to a size 13. That is a question that we get often. And how we put it in is gonna be really simple. You adjust it, you put it in this kind of direction, and you push it into your shoe. Just enough to where it removes the creasing, and then it's gonna allow us to apply more pressure on that toe box as well. So the next step, guys, of course, remove the laces. All right, now that the laces are removed, the next step is to grab our bottle of solution. I'm gonna just go ahead and pour a couple small squirts, and I'm gonna start cleaning the uppers with our soft bristle brush. All right, one quick tip, guys, if you are gonna be cleaning this pair, just be careful with the little pony hair. It is going in different directions. So example, it's going forward here, but on this side it's coming up, and over here it's a different direction as well. So for this material, you definitely wanna brush in the direction that the hair is going to prevent it from fraying. Before we got these dirty, guys, we weren't sure exactly how the material was going to react to the ice cream or the solution in the brushes. So since we've never cleaned like the hair, we weren't sure if it'll fade any color, kind of like how suede does, bleed any color. We weren't sure if the material was going to fray. So I definitely want to be careful to not oversaturate the material. So as you can see, I'm trying to get as much of the solution off in water as possible, just so that way it doesn't cause it to bleed. And here the material just changed direction on me, so I started to see it come up. So it is a little tricky to just make sure I don't go in the wrong direction. As well as this chocolate, we're not sure if that chocolate's gonna stain the material. I'm hoping it doesn't. There was some on this side, but I don't think it's there anymore. So hopefully it doesn't ruin the shoe. All right, guys, I am done cleaning up the entire uppers with the soft bristle brush. Now, it was super disgusting. It was really sticky, so I had to hit up the material a few times to get it nice and fresh, but it is looking brand spanking new, and I'm thankful because I was not trying to put these in the washing machine. Due to this inner liner being different colors, I wasn't sure if it would bleed all over the materials, but the soft brush did its thing. And next up is to get the midsole, because it is still sticky, with the medium bristle brush. So let's go ahead and move on to that now. You know what sucks about cleaning a shoe that just had ice cream on it? It's just very sticky and disgusting. Now that the midsole's all done and it's not sticky anymore, the last step is to get the outsole, because it's still sticky itself. I know it doesn't look too dirty, but it is still very sticky, and you definitely don't want to be walking around with that, making that nasty noise. So next step, guys, grab our stiff bristle brush. Let's get to work. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the entire shoe. Now the last and final step is going to be to clean these laces. And as you can see, they are not looking that good. So all you want to do is dip them into your bowl of solution and water mixture. Just get them nice and soapy. And then scrub them. Before I wrap up these laces, guys, real quick, I want to touch on how well this mat works. So I've been cleaning the entire shoe on it, and now I'm just draining these laces out, and it'll soak up a lot of water and still not seep through. Woo! So I highly recommend picking up this mat if you haven't already. My favorite product so far, my new favorite product, I should say. All right, guys, the laces are all done, the shoes are done. Now the last thing to do is go ahead and put them outside, let them dry for about an hour, and then lace them up, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I went ahead and let these dry, and as you can see, they cleaned up really, really nice. Now, just to go ahead and recap, I hit up the entire uppers with our soft bristle brush, ensuring to go in the same direction that the synthetic hair is, because I didn't want it to fray. Now, unfortunately, back here on the stitching, it did manage to fray just a little bit, but if you take a little bit of clippers and just trim those off, you'll be A1. And I went ahead and moved on to the midsole with the medium brush, got all the stickiness off. Same thing with the outsole, went ahead and cleaned it with the stiff bristle brush, got it all nice and clean. There's still a little bit of suds in there, but not that big of a deal. Now guys, the kit that I used today was the Reshoevn8r Essential Kit, along with the cleaning mat that you can find at reshoevn8r.com. If you like today's Shoe Care Academy video, make sure you hit that like button. And of course, guys, hit that subscribe button so you know every time we post a video. I'm Johnny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.